Right, all things photography. So we are got this huge unboxing, just arrived, parcel fills, big bag, yeah, and we're gonna go through. This is just the unopening. Oh, there we go. Would help if I use something sharp, wouldn't it? But the whole point of unboxing is to use what's immediately at hand. So there we go. So got that open. Right. Be prepared to be amazed. So what I've got here is 2 years worth of amateur photography magazines. So the Leica SL2S, get it right in camera. I like that. So get it right first. Okay. So these are obviously collected by, I remember this one. I think I've bought that one myself. So these are all the Sony Alpha 1. These are all the gems. Farewell to the 5D. These articles are all perfect discussion points. Yeah. So is it every month? If it's every month, Saturday, amateur photographers every week. That is amazing that it's every week. And it's been going for all of these years. The Leica L-mount. You know, this is all of this is knowledge. So the Nikon Z70-200. Just bagging knowledge. With article after article. Love it. Absolutely love it. Right, so the reason why I've invested in this is because, oh yeah, the Christmas special premium edition 2020 is because I want to see if they've got anything on the Olympus, the OM1, oh, Sigma 100 to 400. Okay, low light wildlife, interesting. Because I have the Olympus OM1 and I want to see if they've said anything about it. I'm at Leica Q2. They like Leica, don't they? On the front cover anyway. So, collecting cameras. Oh, I'll read that one. Let's keep that one separate. Shooting stars. Leica again. They like Leica on the front cover. What's this? Photography at home. Home is where the heart is. 32-page pull-out. Is it in there? Doesn't look like it. But it's probably there somewhere. Print like a pro. That's worth understanding. There we go. So we're starting to get closer to when the Olympus OM1 was out. Fujifilm. Money-saving DIY hacks. 10 simple projects to aid your photography and save cash. Let's keep that out. Right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I'm not interested in any 850s. I'm just a EOS 1 person and that's it. Maybe the R3 might spark some interest. I'm not into drones. That's not saying they're not good. I'm just not into them. See, I love them types of photographs. Right, so let's keep going. So he's done half one OMD. So we're getting closer to the EM1X, or when it came out. Portraits on the budget. I love these images people get of kingfishers. Photo shoot from 8,000 miles away. Interesting. Nikon NX Studio. What's this one? Canon EOS M50. I have seen that, but I haven't seen many people using it. Right. What's this one? Raw transformed. Oh, yeah. G Master Sony lenses. Fujifilm. No, Leica for a change. Fujifilm's making a big impact in it. Franz Lanting framing. One of the best in the business. I haven't got any of these cameras. I was literally just in France yesterday, and the French magazines are beautiful. I didn't buy it because obviously it's in French, but I was so tempted. Shoot film. Let's keep that out. What camera is that? Is that F5? No, it's not. Right, let's keep that there. That's on my read now pile. I love a polar bear. What cameras? 2021. Oh, so we're going the other way. Oh, I see. So we're getting further away from the EM1X. So I don't think I'm going to find anything on the EM1X. I thought there'd be some articles on it. Because amateur photographer, Panasonic. The reason being, oh, look at that. Art of Wildlife. Okay, let's keep going. I always put some... These packages really well. I'll have to give him some real positive feedback. Oh, at least I can get a good look at the R3, which I may invest in at the end of the year. I'm not going Canon mirrorless till the end of the year. And I have cleared out some of my project cameras. Right, so where are we now? May 2021. So yeah, it should have been the other way, like 2019, 2018, 2017. But that's alright, doesn't matter. This is a wealth of knowledge here, and I'm really happy with it all. What else we got in here? Got some art photography, Sony Alpha 7 1V. They love a cover, don't they? Oh, the Sony 200 to 600mm f6.3. I think I've got the previous version of that lens. Oh, and the last one, I thought I was getting close to EM13, whereas I've got the EM1X. Oh, so this one was after then. The EM13 is after the EM1X, isn't it? Listen, all things photography, check all them out. We're going to go through them and see what's what. Listen, like and subscribe, guys. See you in a bit. Bye.